Welcome back to Mindful Investing. Today I've got an exciting portfolio update for you, some big changes and great news. So let's dive right in. I've added $25,000 into my portfolio, bringing the total to little above $200,000. This cash came from my other trading apps where I had some good returns through a mix of swing trading and long-term trades. Let me share a little bit more on that. I usually do most of my swing trading on my Think or Swim platform where I take calculated risks. Recently, I've been focused almost exclusively on TQQQ, which is a leveraged Nasdaq ETF. It's been working well for me and I've been able to make consistent profits. My plan is to pump money into Robinhood account with the gains I earn from day trading and swing trading in my Think or Swim platform. If any of you are interested in learning about my swing trading strategies, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to create a separate video diving into how I trade TQQQ and manage risks. But for this portfolio, I'm completely dedicated to long-term investing. That means no risky trades here, only carefully chosen dividend, ETF, and growth stocks to build wealth over time. Let me know if you are doing anything similar in your own investing journey. Alright, coming to the second update I have is all the dividend stocks I hold are bouncing back this week, just as I've been mentioning in my previous videos. Just to name a few, SCHD, which is up close to 2.5%, and LTC Properties, which is up over 4%, Coca-Cola, which is up over 1.5%, and Realty Income, which is up over 3%. And on top of that, I received a $13 in dividend from Realty Income for holding 50 shares. And the best part is that this dividend was reinvested automatically, buying me more shares. And the third update I have is I added AMDY to my portfolio. I bought 200 shares this morning with an average price of $9.7. And AMDY is a yield max ETF for AMD. I have been researching about high yield dividend income ETFs lately and came across a few like Kony, AMDY, and Misty. AMDY because AMD stock dropped quite a bit in the last 6 months, and as I mentioned in my AMD analysis video, we might see a turnaround. So with AMDY, I will be receiving monthly dividends, and also if AMD goes up, AMDY tends to go up as well. And the most important thing about AMDY is its dividend yield, which is over 100%. And we will get around close to $942 in annual dividends. So I'm going to hold my position for a couple of months and see how it plays out. And the last update I have is I'm keeping a close eye on JEPQ for my next move. This ETF not only provides exposure to Nasdaq but also offers an incredible dividend yield of over 9%. I'm waiting for the right entry point to add it to my portfolio. Let me show you its key support levels I'm watching in my Think or Swim platform. Alright, here they are. I'm watching for $54, $51, and $50. These are the major support levels. However, I'll be starting a position if the ETF goes below its 50-day moving average, which is around $56. I'll let you know when I start a position. That's all the updates for today. Let me know in the comments below if you have been adding to your portfolio or eyeing any stocks or ETFs lately. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Mindful Investing, and follow me on my journey to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.